it's time for our guided class practice. Number 1, Stephanie bought a pencil for 40 cents and an eraser for 20 cents. How much did she pay for the pencil and the eraser? So let's go back through and underline our important information. Pencil for 40 cents and eraser for 20. And when they say how much did she pay for the pencil and the eraser, we know that this is going to be what type of problem? Some more, or an addition problem is fine. So we can actually go ahead and write our number sentence. 40 cents plus 20 cents equals how much, everyone? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, 60 cents. And the answer is 60 cents. The next question says, how much change will she get back from $1? So she spent 60 cents. And if we're going to count back change like we just learned earlier, we're going to start from that 60 cents point and count up. So we've got 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, $1. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. 60 cents plus 40 cents equals $1. Number 2, what is the area of this rectangle? All right, so remember the area, we count how many rows or groups, 2, and then we count how many in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the number sentence would be 2 groups of 5 equals how many? Get ready? 10. So the area equals 10 square units. Number 3 says, this is the time I get up in the morning. What time is it? Let's look at the clock. The shorthand is after the 6, and the longhand is on the 3. So we can say that the time is 6, 5, 10, 15, 15 a.m. because we know that it's in the morning. Write that time using words. Quarter after 6. Remember, quarter after, half past, quarter to. Okay. Number 4, circle all the perpendicular line segments. Remember, perpendicular line segments always have something crossing at 90 degrees. So this one and this one. This one is not crossing at 90 degrees, and this one is parallel and does not cross at all. Number 5, write a mixed number to show how many squares are shaded. So we know a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. So our whole number is 1, and our fraction is 1/2. So the mixed number is 1 and 1/2. All right, number 6, write the correct comparison symbol, greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, so to do this, we need to solve for 16 divided by 2. Equals how much? Get ready. 8. 3 times 4 equals, get ready, 12. So we know that it's not going to be equal to, and 8 is not greater than 12. 8 is less than 12. Let's go over here. We need to do some math. we're going to do 329 plus 255. 9 plus 5 is 14. We're going to carry the 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this number is 584. We can do this one, 740 minus 236. We can't take 6 away from 0, so we need to borrow from the 4. Make this a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 3 minus 3 equals 0. And 7 minus 2 equals 5. So the answer up here is 504. It's not 584 and 504 do not equal. So 584 would be greater than 504.